Again, Mr. Rops.
And Mrs. Flynn.
And we are still talking about writing equations from 2 points.
Alright, so now we have 2 points. And there's only 2 things really needed to write an equation. One is your slope, or gradient, I should get used to saying. And the other thing is a point.
A point.
And we have a point in this problem.
We actually have 2.
Yeah, but we don't have a gradient.
Alright, so we can, but if we have 2 points, we can calculate our gradient using our slope formula.
Alright, we just take y2 minus y1 and divide it by x2 minus x1. So let's substitute that in.
Alright, so we take 6 minus 2 over 3 minus 1.
And we get 4 over 2, which is a happy 2.
2, super.
So now I have my gradient equal to 2, and I have a point. I'd like 1, 2 because it's small.
Alright, could I use 3, 6?
Sure.
Alright, but it doesn't matter.
Well, if we're going to write an equation, and we have a point and a slope, let's use y equals mx plus b.
Okay.
Substitute in our
M.
So y equals 2x plus b. And we already know it goes through the point 1, 2, so just like before in the previous podcast, substitute in your values.
Alright, so 2 equals 2 times 1 plus b.
What is our b?
Subtract 2 from both sides, and b ends up being 0.
So our equation is just going to be y equals 2x.
Do we have to write the 0?
Nah.
Okay, great. Okay.
Next one.
Alright, a line passing through the origin and -5, -6.
It's going through the origin.
Oh, 0, 0, the origin.
So what do we know with this guy? If our x value is 0, we know that this has to be our
Y-intercept.
y-intercept.
Oh, nice.
Interesting.
So that, our y-intercept, is that what we call b?
Oh, that's b.
Okay, well now we need...
We still need the slope, right?
Right.
Because we always need our gradient and an xy point to write an equation. So let's calculate that slope.
Okay, so slope is just subtract -6 minus 0
-6 minus 0.
over -5 minus 0,
All right.
which is 6 over 5.
Well, if I know that my y-intercept, if y equals mx plus b, my y-intercept is 0,
Right?
I could substitute that in.
Oh, yes, and 6 over 5.
Is our slope. And we have just the easy equation, y equals 6/5 x. Do we want to check this?
Sure.
Because maybe I'm not quite believing that that's correct. Let's check it with this point.
Okay, good idea.
Okay, instead of y,
Mm-hmm.
we'll put in the point
-6.
And instead of x,
And put in -5.
-5. So we want to know, does this side equal that side?
Okay. I'll do the left-hand side. That's the -6.
Ah, you picked the easy side. All right, so 5 on bottom, 5 on top, makes it a -1. So now I just have 6 times -1, -6. Yay!
Yay, it works.